Hello everyone, welcome to How To With You, the best place for your no BS crypto tutorials. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to buy crypto on the Robinhood exchange, and this works just as well on your phone as it does in the browser, which I'll be showing here. So, I'm sure you guys have heard of the announcement that Robinhood is coming out with their own crypto wallet. About time, right? This is a very good benefit for any crypto users. You can now go ahead and transfer your crypto in and out of your Robinhood account in a few steps. Before, you had to go ahead and sell your crypto, have it transferred to your bank account, and then go to another exchange that could buy and transfer it over to a wallet like MetaMask. So that's great news for everyone. So yeah, let's get into it. So step number one is obviously go ahead and transfer some money into your bank account, and to do so you have to go ahead and click on here account, and this is the main menu, and then click on transfers. And once your bank account is set up, all you're gonna have to do is just go to this box right over here, enter the amount you want to deposit. What account do you want to deposit this from? Obviously you want to deposit this from your Webster, or your bank account I should say, and then where to, your Robinhood account, and then right here is your frequency. How often do you want to deposit this $50? Just once, weekly, twice a month, monthly, or maybe even quarterly. So after we got that ready, you want to just click on review transfer, and then this $50 should take a few days to transfer from your bank account and appear in your Robinhood. After you got that all set and you got the amount that you want to place, go ahead and click on transfer. So after you have that done, once you go to your main home setting, you should see right here, it should show you your buying power. Right now I have $0 because obviously I didn't transfer anything over, but if you deposited $50, your buying power should be 50. So now let's go ahead and find what kind of cryptocurrency we want to look for. I'm going to go ahead and type in here Bitcoin. It's going to show right here cryptocurrencies and all different types of Bitcoin cryptos they have. Let's go ahead and click on show more. And then it shows you all the different types of cryptos you could buy on Robinhood. Obviously you don't have a lot of options, but if you want to buy something like Ethereum and Bitcoin or Dogecoin, and I'm sure Shiba will be on here soon as well, you can. So just pick whatever one you want, go ahead and left click on that or tap on it, and then bam, it shows you how much Ethereum is trading for. Right here it just shows you all the different dates, like what's the price in the last day, what's the price in the last week, what's the price in the last month, 3 months, 1 year, and so on. So after you decided how much Ethereum you want to buy, you want to go over ahead in here and click on buy in USD. Let's go ahead and buy, let's just for this example, let's buy 1,300 worth, right? So as you see right here, it shows you estimated ETH 0.49, which is about half of an Ethereum. Why is it half of an Ethereum? Because ETH right now is trading for $2,700, and I wanted to buy 1,300 worth. So that's about half of an Ethereum. If you put like $100, it would show you 0.03 Ethereum. So just figure out how much you want to buy. You're gonna click on review order. And then after that, you just go ahead and place your purchase. So after that is all set, it should pop up right here, your equity. All that means is just how much Ethereum you own right now. I currently own $9,000 worth. I bought it a while back when it was around that $1,500. And it will show you right here your quantity, your portfolio diversity. So 3/4 of my portfolio is with Ethereum. I don't really use Robinhood that much anymore, so that's why it's a large portion of my portfolio. And then right here it actually shows you what number you are on the crypto wallet's wait list. So if you want to move up the list, all you have to do is just click on that and invite friends. So the more people you invite, the faster you will move up in this list. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please let them down in the comment section below. Thank you all and have a great day.